tinipid sa Ricardo.
Mga kapitbahay, hi mga kaibigan, hello friends, let's cook chicken inasal in the air fryer. Yeah, this one, I marinate ko na to. I marinated this for 20, no, not only 24 hours, it's 48 hours. Chicken thigh, I put lemon, soy sauce, garlic, a little of ginger, and brown sugar, and yeah, lemon juice. Yes, I'm sure this will be yummy. Yeah, we will air fryer for 30 minutes. It's easy and very simple. Now we'll put here in the air fryer. The air fryer should be at 200 degrees and for 30 minutes. Then, while we're waiting for that, I'll gonna work first. Work muna tayo. Ayan na po, oh. Ngayon, baliktarin natin. Oh, ang lutong na siya, oh. Crunchy. Sarap. Baliktarin natin para maluto yung kabila. After 15 minutes, then okay na ito. Yes, my chicken inasal is cooked, fully cooked na. Sarap-sarap nito. Yummy. Tikman natin maya-mayang konti, mainit. See, look at that. My chicken inasal in the air fryer. Just cook for 30 minutes. 15 minutes front and 15 minutes back. Yan na po ang result. Masarap na chicken inasal. Paano malalaman kung masarap yan? Tikman natin ang aking inasal. Ang init. Harap. Parang original na inasal galing sa Bacolod. Sarap mga kapitbahay. Try nyo. Ulit. Parang masarap. Masarap pala talaga pag 48 hours mo siyang binabad. Salamat mga kapitbahay. Please like and subscribe po. Thank you, thank you. See you again. Salamat. Saranghe.
Wow, mga kapitbahay, ang chicken inasal, homemade. Bahay yan, lutong bahay. At banana cue. Hindi tinipid sa Ricardo.
Sarap.
Sarap. Tama-tama. Ito, air fryer.
Yes. Okay.
Sarap. Kain tayo mga kapitbahay.